guess what? I'm in Blossom Garden Estate. One thing I can tell you about this estate is it's very promising, and the price is going to increase drastically. And also, the plans they have for people who are going to invest here is amazing. There will be a dual carriage road from here to the express, and you know, once there's a dual carriage road, there is also opportunities for people to do plazas, malls, you know, businesses. Even before you get to the express, there will be businesses right down to the express, and even filling stations and all that, right? I would want to advise you to stop procrastinating and take it seriously. Ndị Igbo na-asị nkụ onye kpatara n'oge ọkọchị ka ọ na-eyuzu na oge udu mmiri, right? If you have not heard of Blossom Estate, if this is your first time of hearing of Blossom Estate, call the number on the screen. Let me get you started, and let's come here so you can inspect it. Lots of development is coming right here, and go and check my drive-through video I did on YouTube. So you see the road from RCC quarters to here. Okay, it's not that far. Okay, call me, let's get you started. Bye bye.